Hello everyone, welcome to Espanol conmigo. Today we are learning Spanish alphabets. Let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's for today. Thank you everyone.